Transferring money from Natwest to another bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to your Natwest online banking account. From here, you will get to see payments. So go to Payments section. Select Make a Payment or Transfer Money. Choose Transfer to another account. Enter the recipient's bank details, including account number, sort code, and bank name. Enter the transfer amount and choose the transfer date. Review the details and confirm the transaction. The availability of certain features may vary based on your location and the specific services offered by Natwest. Be aware of any fees associated with the transfer, and note that processing times may vary. Ensure that you have accurate and up-to-date information for the recipient's bank account, including the account number and sort code.